पत्थर
हल्का
मजबूत
सूर्य
रात्रि
खूबसूरत
मजबूत
नाजुक
कमजोर
फूल
वेरी फनी तो तुम तब से उधर ही बैठे हो
100 you think I've been sitting like this all my life? Your head. I've been moving for centuries and centuries and centuries and
where you been going da
you can't see, that's the thing. You can only see the outside. You don't know what's deep inside me. See, I'll tell you something. You are too confident and too brave. Tell me you're really so brave. Is it to face the world?
हेलो तुमने मेरे कांटे नहीं देखे तूफान में बिजली में धूप में बारिश में what not I've endured
Too much.
how will you know
Too much. Too confident, I say, for a flower.
hey you tell what have you been up to
Me.
rolling 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 rolling
Rolling. Sometimes with no direction home.
too deep just too deep da but you know sometimes even I fall
Huh?
but then I get back up
Ooh.
you tell me something
Yeah.
do you ever change color because you know like I do
What do you think, Don? Look closely. Look closely. So closely.
so
See the color changing. Shape, size, texture, everything. Every second I'm changing. What do you know?
looks the same to me da
What? That's the issue, man. You're not able to look deeper than what your eyes can see. And you tell me something. The amount you keep swaying from this side to that side, this side to that side, you really have a sense of who you are.
as if there's just one me and only one you
Yes. There is only one me and one you, da.
see this is where the problem begins there's a little bit of me in you and a little bit of you in me
And really? Are you sure?
come off I'll tell you welcome to
Yes.
the 16th edition of October Jam, Maharaj Independent Annual Arts Festival, which this year is called Stone Flowers.
Stone, flower. Simple. Patthar ke phool, kalina hua.
The idea for this year's jam came from the last 2-3 years of work that we've been doing at Mara, where we've been breaking our heads trying to figure out what on earth is this masculine and feminine. Like Hindi में बोलते हैं ना कि मर्दांगी दिखाना. What is it in Kannada? Da?
I mean, I think in Kannada it would be like Gandu Sattva, but in a sense it's not the same as Mardangi. You know what I mean? It's
Yeah.
different in like different languages.
This is the thing, like it's different in different languages, in different cultures, families, communities, rituals. It's difficult to define. Like, I don't know, what is it for you?
I know we've been thinking about this for last 2 years, but I mean, if we were to think that masculinity is somehow associated with the male and femininity is associated with the female gender, I just think it's too simplistic and it's
Yeah.
not possible to just, it's too limiting. I mean, like what about like larger structures like caste, class, religion, also like sexuality, politics, and like especially in 2024, the current scenario in which we are living, I mean, I think it's really, really important to kind of dig deeper in the eyebrows.
Because masculine, feminine is something that we see inside us, in our families, in community histories. So I guess it's sort of like the more you learn, the less you know.
Yeah. And I mean, I guess it's really something that we have to kind of really wonder about, because I think so far we feel like, I think we've just scratched the surface. We're hoping that in this year, meeting our friends and different people who we've invited for the jam, we'd be able to expand our imagination around this messy terrain because it's pretty complex, I think.
It's heavy, it's beautiful, and I guess the jam is a chance to explore the softer and darker sides of each of us. And जैसे आप लोग जानते हैं कि अक्टूबर जैम हम हर साल करते हैं, ये हमारी परंपरा है और हमारी रीति रिवाज है, और इसके लिए आपकी ज़रूरत है.
आपकी ज़रूरत means चंदा की ज़रूरत. Just like the whole country, we too want some chanda. Yes, duttu, kasu, sulka money, still needed. I think it's not just because of, it's just also to make the spirit of the festival people-led, people-driven. And with your support, we feel like, we'll be able to kind of discover new sides of ourselves, because we hope that the different artists who will be coming will give us a way to think about ourselves, but also how we look at the world around us.
We have an amazing lineup, and we really, really hope that you will be able to make a small or a large contribution to the festival, and that you will be there. So see you at the festival.
All we need is about all our well-wishers, supporters, friends, put in something and make it your own festival. See you at the festival, and we'll meet you in October with Kallina.
दीवाना
मस्ताना
अनजाना
पहचाना
दीवाना
मस्ताना
अनजाना
पहचाना